Hindi ka naniniwala sa akin. Wow. 3 bet. Ano? That's 350 times 3.
I know, you're only betting like 50 cents, right?
Yeah, that's 50 cents. My bet is 50 cents and I got 7 out of 7 with 3 bet. Yeah, those ano, A. Pero look at B. Kung nakuha ko yung B also, that would have been another 700. Untik na maghantay. 50 cent bet. Wow.